Question number 1. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The right answer is option A, Indira Gandhi. Question number 2. Who wrote the national anthem of India? The right answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 3. Which Indian leader gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? The right answer is option C, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 4. Which Indian freedom fighter was also known as Netaji? The right answer is option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 5. Who was the first Governor General Independent India? The right answer is option A, C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 6. Which empire did Babur establish in India? The right answer is option B, Mughal Empire. Question number 7. Who was the first woman president of India? The right answer is option C, Pratibha Patil. Question number 8. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The right answer is option B, Bachendri Pal. Question number 9. Which Indian leader was known as the Grand Old Man of India? The right answer is option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 10. In which year did India become a republic? The right answer is option D, 1950. Question number 11. Who was the founder of the Vijayanagara Empire? The right answer is option A, Harihara I. Question number 12. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? The right answer is option C, Rajendra Prasad. Question number 13. Which Indian leader was known as for the slogan Do or Die? The right answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 14. Which Indian ruler built the Red Fort in Delhi? The right answer is option A, Shah Jahan. Question number 15. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize? The right answer is option A, Mother Teresa. Question number 16. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as the Lokmanya? The right answer is option A, Bala Gangadhar Tilak.